Hello everyone, it's great to see you again. Well, Avery is a little upset because she sees my bag over here. Mr. Fox and I are going to Manchester, Vermont for an overnight stay. Manchester is a beautiful city and I can't wait to share some scenes with you. We have a friend who's going to stay in the house to take care of Madam Avery and also Miss Binky, our little cat. Mr. Fox and I used to travel to Manchester every summer. Then the pandemic hit, so we haven't been since 2019. We are really looking forward to visiting our favorite haunts again. We will be staying at the fabulous Equinox Hotel. Here's what I'm packing for the short trip. Shorts, a t-shirt, my laptop, a tripod, and a powerful hair blower because hotel hair dryers are always too small and too wimpy to get the job done. I'm also packing my usual toiletries, which includes a tinted sunscreen. I use Garnier Skin Active BB tinted sunscreen. It gives me a light tan that has no hint of orange to it. I apply it to my face, neck, back of my neck, and up to the hairline. I'll post a link to this great product in the description below. And we are off. And here we are at the historic Equinox Hotel in Manchester, Vermont. The hotel has existed in one form or another since 1796. The current facade is from 1853. The hotel's sprawling interior has not lost its Victorian grandeur. I love the sweeping staircase with its hand-turned oak stair rail. Guest rooms, including ours on the third floor, are decorated in neutral tones and furnished with an exceptionally comfortable king-size bed. The Equinox boasts an opulent spa. I'm in the men's locker room now before heading to the hotel gym. Meanwhile, Mr. Fox is having a swim in the spa's Olympic-sized swimming pool. Now we are off to dinner at Ye Olde Tavern, which dates back to 1790. I love the stenciled walls on the main floor. We started our meal with the tavern's signature corn fritters that are served with pure Vermont maple butter. For the main course, we feasted on duck that was flamed with blackberry brandy. The tavern's owner generously allowed me to film the upstairs dining room, which features Federal-era wallpaper and what the owner referred to as haunted paintings. We will head back to the hotel shortly for a good night's rest. I just woke up and I've gone for a walk. When you tour Manchester on foot, you can't help but admire its 4 miles of marble sidewalks. One of my favorite Manchester pastimes is to walk on its main street. The street is lined with beautiful 19th century houses. Most of these are white clapboard with green shutters, just like my own 19th century house in New York. Now it's time for breakfast at a downtown restaurant called Up for Breakfast. The name refers to the fact that one must actually climb a lengthy staircase in order to enter the restaurant. For breakfast, we are enjoying coffee, Scandinavian poached eggs, and some blueberry sourdough pancakes. Then it's off to the shops. And the first shop is the Vermont Kitchen Supply Store. Although the store is not large, it is fabulously well stocked. My kitchen at home is filled with bits and bobs that I purchased over the years right here at Vermont Kitchen Supply. I'm intrigued by the silicone leaves and apples pie top cutter. I can certainly use a new pastry brush, and I just might buy an apron. Downtown Manchester has a number of outlet malls. The facades of these were designed to resemble the 18th and 19th century architecture found throughout the village. Of course, we have to visit Le Creuset's outlet shop. I own a number of Le Creuset Dutch ovens and gratin pans. The items are quite expensive, but they do last a lifetime. On this visit, I discovered that Le Creuset has a bread oven in a stunning shade of blue. I came very close to buying it. And mamma mia, Manchester even has an Italian market. The little shop is packed with passatas, gnocchi, handcrafted pasta, and Italian cheeses and meats. It's a wonderful little shop. We are home now, and I'm wearing the nifty black apron that I purchased at Vermont Kitchen Supply. Avery's babysitter left us these gorgeous tomatoes that he plucked from his very own garden. And since I'm hungry, I'm going to use the fruit in my classic tomato pie. And I have to warn you, this is not a diet dish. Crack open a 7.5-ounce can of biscuits and press the biscuits into a greased 9-inch pie plate to form a crust. Slice up 2 or 3 ripe tomatoes, put them in the pie shell, and season them with salt and pepper. Then take several fresh basil leaves, stack them, and roll them into a tight cigar shape. Cut crosswise into thin strips to make a chiffonade. Scatter the basil over the tomatoes. In a small bowl, mix together 1 cup of good mayonnaise with 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Spread the mayo and cheese mixture over the pie. I'm going to pop this into the preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Here's the pie, all baked and beautiful, and it smells amazing. I'm going to let it cool on a wire rack, and then we can have a taste of it. The decorator in me insists on doing this. This looks scrumptious. This pie has never let me down. It is beyond awesome. It's a beautiful day here today, so I'm going to finish this pie outside in the garden. Meantime, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and that you will give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and be sure to tap the little bell icon to receive notifications every time I upload a new video. In the comments below, let me know if you managed to get away at all this summer. I'd love to hear all about your trip. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to try this pie, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.